Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level competitive math is nothing but dry guesswork, rigid textbook formulas, and tedious calculations that drain all the fun out of thinking, get ready to change your mind. In this video, we dive straight into an intimidating math kangaroo level 9-10 visual riddle to find a missing number hidden at the very center of 3 intersecting rings. Let's get right to the quiz. The numbers from 10 to 60 are placed in the circles at the intersections of 3 rings. The position of number 60 is shown. The sums of the numbers on each ring are the same. What number is placed in the circle with the question mark? A. 10, B. 20, C. 30, D. 40, E. 50. This is the brief on solving the triple ring math logic puzzle. So this classic puzzle asks us to find a missing number right at the center of 3 intersecting rings. Instead of frustrating guesswork, we're going to crack it in seconds using a few beginner-friendly mental math tricks. First, the overlapping trick. The puzzle gives us 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Added up, that's 210. But picture the board. Every single circle sits exactly where 2 rings cross. Because every number is shared, adding all 3 rings together counts every number twice, getting us to 420. It's kind of like a potluck. If everyone brings 2 dishes, the total food is double the guests. Just divide that 420 by our 3 rings, and boom, every individual ring perfectly sums to 140. Second, now that we know a single ring equals 140, we use the puzzle's symmetry to chunk the problem. Look at the top ring. The whole thing is perfectly balanced from left to right, right? Because of this, we can literally split that top ring straight down the middle. That means the 2 left circles equal 70 and the right 2 equal 70. Finally, we've got enough info to solve for the center. Focus on the bottom left ring. It contains 4 circles. That left pair from the top ring, the bottom circle, which the puzzle says is 60, and the center question mark. Well, the left pair is 70, plus the bottom 60 gives us 130. Since the whole ring absolutely must equal 140, our missing center circle has to be 10. By uncovering the hidden overlap and using symmetry to your advantage, an intimidating visual puzzle quickly shrinks into basic subtraction.
Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.